This is soap. This soap. This water. This is the dryer. This is the information system, and the information is directly from the internet. Alexa, updates on coronavirus in Nigeria.
According to Reuters, as of today, July 6, 2020, Nigeria has 28,167 cases confirmed of the novel coronavirus, 634 deaths and 11,462 recoveries. Since July 5, 2020, the number of confirmed cases reported by Reuters has increased by 603.
Alexa, sing for 20 seconds.
Okay, here we go. Wash your hands, everybody. Everybody, wash your hands. So here's a song, sing along. Tell germs nope, grab the soap. Make soap bubbles, on the double. Halfway there, give a mean stare, to all the germs. Make them squirm, say goodbye, don't be shy. Rub a dub, give a good scrub, suds aplenty, now you're at 20.